In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sidebar in Elementor. First, open any page using the Elementor editor. You can use an existing page or create a new one. It doesn't matter. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main canvas area in the middle with the Elementor widgets panel on the left. In the canvas, look for the section that says drag widget here. This is where we're going to build our layout. Above that area, click the plus icon to add a new section. When the structure options appear, choose the Flexbox container option and then pick a 2-column layout. For a typical sidebar layout, you'll want the left column to be narrower than the right column, since the left side will hold the sidebar and the right side will hold your main content. Now, let's configure the sidebar column. Hover over the left column and click the small rectangular icon at the top of it to open its settings in the left panel. In the settings, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the Motion Effects section and click it to expand. Here, you'll see a sticky option. Set this to top. This will make your sidebar stick to the top of the screen as users scroll instead of disappearing off the page. This is especially useful for navigation menus, search bars, or important calls to action. Next, we'll add widgets to the sidebar. Make sure the left column is selected, then click the plus icon inside that column. Go to the widgets panel and either scroll or use the search bar to find the widget you want. For example, you can search for search to add a search bar. Drag the search widget into the left column and adjust its settings, such as placeholder text, style, and alignment. You can keep adding more widgets to the sidebar. To add another widget, click the plus icon again in the column, or simply drag a new widget from the panel. For instance, you might add a navigation menu widget underneath the search bar. If you need to rearrange the order of widgets, just drag and drop them up or down within the column. You can even move a widget from the sidebar to the main content column, or the other way around, by dragging it across. Now, let's set up the main content area in the right column. Click the plus icon inside the right column, then choose any widgets you want from the left panel. Drag and drop them into the right side to build out your page content. This might include headings, text, images, or any other elements you need. There's no strict limit to how many widgets you can add in either column, but keep in mind that too many elements can affect your page speed and readability, so try to keep things organized. Once you have your sidebar and main content in place, test the sticky behavior. Click the preview icon, or simply use the preview page in your browser, then scroll up and down. You should see the sidebar stay fixed at the top as you move through the page, while the main content scrolls normally. If the sidebar doesn't behave as expected, go back to the left column settings and double check the sticky setting under Motion Effects. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if it's a new one. This will save your changes and make your new sidebar layout live on your site. And that's it. You've just created a functional, sticky sidebar in Elementor, complete with your chosen widgets and a flexible 2-column layout.